wears her overcoat for the coming of the nuclear winter. She is riding a bike like a fugitive of critical mass. She's on a hunger strike for the ones who won't make it for dinner. She makes enough to survive for her holiday working class. She's a runaway of the establishment incorporated. She won't cooperate, well she's the last of the American girl.